Hello guys, today in this video we're at what? We're at what? New Orleans? What?
Aquarium.
Whoa, look at that lobster. Why is there a beetle? Is it connected to the
Insectarium.
I guess it's connected. We're also at the insectarium. Yes. Okay, we have tell you. Cute little double. Okay, well. There's some broken stuff. Pretty. Okay. Well, I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna show you where we went because it's a long hallway, guys. So I'm gonna just show you where we are in the next clip. Okay, okay guys, we're back. Okay, we're following this way. What is that?
Make straight to the double doors. Begin. You just make the big loop and then fish take you downstairs. Thank you.
Oh, look at that little millipede. He's so cute. The little millipede. A cute little millipede. Oh, that millipede was so cute. Please, no. No picture.
Of what?
Wow.
They lay their eggs only on the leaves of milkweed plants, and after a few days, the caterpillars hatch.
Oh, you guys want pictures?
No, but
Wow.
Caterpillars eat milkweed, and in about 2 weeks,
I don't even like butterflies.
why you don't like that?
I like moths.
the
Dun, dun.
emerge as fully formed adult
Wow. Just keep looking at it. Look at them all over the place.
monarchs range from Canada down to Mexico and back.
Wow. So yeah, remember guys, this is not in America, New York. This is in New Orleans. Okay, I should have just stopped. Ah! No, it just appeared. God, that was pretty. Yeah.
Fireflies are not flies at all. They're beetles.
Yeah, they're just beetles. They fly.
Male fireflies use their light to attract females.
Okay.
Males
What is
fireflies
that?
attract females, which are usually stationary, flashing as phones.
Bunga 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 bunga
Seedless fireflies are one of 19 species of fireflies that live in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. A firefly's light is produced by a chemical reaction within the firefly's abdomen.
I'm showing them. Okay guys, we're getting up.
Gotta go. I definitely is recording.
Okay. Field camp. What the frick? Field camp.
What, are there insects inside?
No, there's our
Like this?
dead. They're dead.
Oh.
Preserved. They're preserved.
Sure?
I don't know. They're not moving. They don't look like they're breathing. The scorpion's not.
Okay.
The scorpion. No, sorry guys. Nope. The scorpion's dead. That's dead as hell.
There's one live. Oh, there's one beetle's live.
En forme de scarabée, oui.
Guys, don't get creeped out.
Max 1 an, vraiment. J'aime beaucoup ça. Max 1 an, en fait.
I'm not gonna get you out. I'm gonna leave you in there, okay? I'm not gonna help you get out.
Et ça pue. Et par contre, comme là,
I'm not helping you get out. You just have to learn how to get out. I'm not helping you.
Ça sert à quoi pour la nature? C'est quoi l'intérêt
Ah, ça
d'avoir-
nettoie.
alors, ça nettoie, ça mange les fruits, et puis ça pollinise aussi beaucoup. Parce que ça va dans les fleurs.
Oh,
ça
I
va
think they're mating. What is that?
Par contre,
These?
No, these.
Oh, yes, that is. That is.
It's mating season because it's summer. I don't know. Books.
Why are you holding like a sideways? Well, you don't know how to tie it?
Yeah. Boys, look at that. I said, flip this damn thing. Match, Daddy, matching. Hummingbird. Nope. Oh. Nope. Dun 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 dun. Who's the spin? I'm spinning off them, see which one's spinning. Aww, half of them died. Dead. Okay, good. Oh, God. Okay, forget about this. Whoa.
The bee.
Look at that. Look at that. Why is he shaking it? Nah, bro's shaking it. He's shaking it.
Yeah. Like you.
He's shaking that thing.
Oh man, the bee dead bee.
Where?
Over there. Eat too much.
Where? Oh. No, that's a male, I think.
What kind of bee is that? Honey bee?
No, dude. No, I think there's bumblebees. I'll be up in bumblebee. Boy, no hell. This looks funny. I'm just a floating hat. Ooh, I'm a floating hat.
It's not enough flour for the bee.
You should not keep them in there. It's good and bad because they don't have enough space. You come away from me.
And termite help turn dead tree into a healthy.
Can you see? Good. Okay, just look at this for a bit. Nah, they can live up in a... Okay, fine, it's finished. What's over here? What, is there ants? Supposed to be ants somewhere? Oh, look, ants! Daddy, there's ants. Ants! What? At least they're living ants. Look, they're colony.
Oh, wow, they're big.
Those are some big ants. Those are like the size of my fingernail. Oh, look at that little baby. Look at the larva. That's
termite
a
or
fat ass
ant?
larva.
Is it ant or
That's a
termite?
super fat larva. Look how,
Termite, right?
I think that's ant.
Ant?
Daddy, look how fat that larva is. They have to take care of that thing so it could be the future of the hive. They didn't give enough space, or maybe there's more
They're
space.
feeding cricket.
Oh.
They're feeding it? No, this is how they go. They eat it and they regurgitate it to that little thing. You know that white thing right there? That's the larva. And they have to regurgitate it to feed it. And they'll go and turn into a pupa and they'll turn into a normal ant.
Okay.
I don't know where's the queen.
Wow, a lot of egg. It is an egg
Yeah,
right
egg.
there on the top.
yeah.
Look, upside down.
Yes.
Well, no, that's not egg. That's their abdomen. They all of the stuff. You know that green thing? They ate all the honey and stuff from there. And then it's in their abdomen. That's more like their
Yeah,
stomach.
it is optimal.
Uh-huh.
They're just big stomach. They store their food there.
And
So
they store their food there and send it to the offspring, or they just eat it themselves. They are fat. Guys, how you can see?
Honey pot. So they call honey pots.
Oh, look at those little millipedes, so cute.
Whoa.
Better wash your hands after you touch this thing. Some of them secrete poisonous thing on their shell, so anybody touch it, they get poisoned. Oh, look at that little millipedes eating his little fruities.
Whoa. Look at
Guys, look at that. I think that's a cockroach or cicada.
cockroach.
Guys, I know. Don't get creeped out. Oh, look at those little millipedes.
Oh, that is
Eating honey.
Oh, and then there's the giant cockroach right there. Ew.
wow. Is that
Cave
centipede?
That's a cave cockroach.
Go.
Mommy, we're lucky we don't live in a cave and we see this thing. Guys, can you see the millipede? Let me look at the camera. A little bit. Those are a little fun. Oh, look, they're so cute. What?
Cutting the tree. Cutting the leaf.
Ant cutter trees in the rainforest of
They take the leaf
South
to their
America.
nest. Go dum 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 dum.
They
dum,
have
dum,
a
dum,
big nest. Guys, I don't know. Okay, sorry guys, there's something wrong. Guys, I'll just do this camera. Okay, guys, can you see it?
dum. Twist over.
See if they can see it.
See it?
Oh, it's looking at you. Okay, let's see, guys.
Why you use the rear side?
Okay, guys, can you see a high up view? Let me just flip the camera back. Okay, let me flip it back. You see it well? Okay, let's just hope you saw it well. I dropped tofu. The camera.
Tight. When you twist it, use the level.
Oh, yeah, sexy. Yeah, sexy.
I have ants in my pants. Dun dun. Dung beetle.
Ew.
Dung beetle. The dung beetle that rolls the dookie.
Look. That's how they rolling it.
They go into the cow dookie and they roll it up into a bally.
Donkey.
And then they feed it to their babies.
Yeah.
Wait, whoa.
What is this?
Guys, do you know what is it? Leaf cutter ant. Oh, it's connected. There's more stuff you can see. So this is the tree that they get stuff from, and they go into here, into the tunnel, walk whatever they want, down here, whatever they want, guys. You can see it, right?
Right here. Look.
Oh
Look
my!
closer. Right here. They build a nest.
It's a nest, yeah.
They build a nest.
This is a really nice replica, actually. Nice replica. They have the roots and stuff.
Whoa.
Mealworms.
Yeah.
Mealworms. They're not called super worms. They're called mealworms. Everything eats them.
What? They eat everything?
But they get eaten.
Eating those foam?
They eat the form?
Huh?
Oh my god.
These things are the most disgustingest thing I ever saw. I'm so happy I get to eat one today.
Yeah.
because they're most eaten. They're most boiled up and cooked. So.
People eat them a lot.
For if they get the little packets, and a lot of animals eat these ugly things. I'm getting goosebumps right now. Guys, warning, if you get creeped out, click off the video and go watch a different video because I don't want you to get creeped out. It looks like erosion. Well. Okay, that thing is ugly as hell. Guys, read this thing. Okay, sorry, guys. Well, just try your best to read this thing, actually, though. It's the shadow. Can you try, guys, try to read it? If you can. Okay, try to read your best, okay? Okay. Time out. If you want to read it more, you pause it.
Did you find an insect here?
Leaf.
You know where is it?
It's somewhere. Oh, like, is that it? Like there? Where? Oh my. Right there, I saw it. Right there with those stingly legs.
Yes.
Guys, if you try, I'm gonna do some hide and seek with you guys. Guys, try to find it. It's that one right there. Just look for a bit. If you want to see it more, just pause the video. I'm going over here. It's all the way right there, guys. It's right there. That spindly leaf. If I was a predator, and I would never see that thing.
Gotta take care. Let people read it.
Guys, read it. Read it, guys.
Yeah, they got one here.
If you want to read it more, just pause it, okay?
Oh wow.
Those are mantises. Praying
They
mantis.
got one here, one here.
Praying mantis, actually. Let's hope they're both female, or the female will just eat the male's head.
Yeah.
What? Don't worry, the male's still alive.
Oh.
That one brown one, there's green one.
The normal one. They have leaf color.
Oh, look at it.
Look at that little spindly. Oh, look, he's dancing. Look at it. He's saying, "Let me out." Mommy, look, he's dancing. Din 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 din. You're dancing. He's so Why are you dancing? He's upside down. I think he needs help or something. He's dancing. Like, every time I look at him. I'm still gonna find you.
Beetle, not a beetle.
Desert.
Longhorn beetle.
Guys, we're going over here. What is over here? Wow. There's stuff over here. What's over here? Wait, oh, sorry guys, there's something. What?
Oui, c'est confus.
Tracking it.
I think it's this. Oh, that. It's right there. Wait, guys, if you watched the new movie Jurassic World, spoilers alert if you didn't, but you know Jurassic World Dominion, if you watched it, those are the big versions of those ugly bugs in the movie.
Yeah.
Those are the replicas, guys. Those are ugly. So, guys, if you don't know, these are the same animals as the bugs, giant bugs in the Jurassic World new movie, okay, guys?
Okay.
Right there. Big one. Big chongus. There's more over here. There's a beetle. Oh, look, water beetles. Oh, look at the water beetles. They're swimming. So, if you guys don't know, they survive by going up and sticking their abdomen out and getting bubbles so they could breathe in the water. They're like Superman. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Swimming little buddy.
Oh, orange beetle. Malaysian giant.
Okay, guys, read it if you want. I'll wait a bit. Pause if you want to see more. I'm gonna just go back. Look. they get the air from the air. They stick their abdomen out and get the bubbles, and they go back and swim.
How you know? You read this?
I learned about it. Okay, what is in here? Those red people. You look like those doctors from that time called the Black something.
Yeah.
The Black Death.
Yeah.
You look like something. I don't want to talk about that.
Found it? Right here. Look like a branch.
You look sick.
No, it's branch. Branch pure brain ink.
Read it, guys. Just try your best, okay? Okay. Pause if you want to see more.
Golden eye walking stick.
There are many types of these little guys. Walking stick things.
Oh, walking stick.
Okay, guys, we're going back over here.
Big cricket.
That's a moth. I love moths. I hate butterflies. Oh, sorry, guys, something wrong.
The spider?
Yeah,
Oh, this one not live. Just decoration only.
you know spiders live under the water.
That spider over there. I can't find.
Okay, guys. You guys know that spiders go underwater.
Nowhere.
A type of spider goes under the water.
Hey, spider.
Oh, little fluffy.
Oh.
Please don't launch those quills at me. They do that when they get scared.
Yeah.
You know, I learned about a spider that goes under the water because they make their own bubble houses.
Yeah. Oh, you alright?
There's a big tree. What's over here? I found it, right here, I think.
Inside?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, what's this?
Oh, sorry guys,
Scorpion.
it's just reflection, but
Scorpion?
it's just how it is. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just do something. What the?
Bobby.
A little dusty on the cam.
Give me this.
Okay, guys, if you guys can't see, it should be right there, like right over here, right there, guys. Sorry if you can't see, but it's really hard to see, guys. It's a little bookie spider. Wait, no, it's a scorpion. Scorpion, ticks, and spiders all live in the arachnophobia. Guys, I'm gonna do some. I have to put on the thing on the top. Just wait a bit, guys. Wait a bit.
Are
Okay.
you lighting up?
Okay, sorry guys for that. These are something called desert millipedes. Aw, look at them. They're so cute. They're rolling up into little boysies.
What'd you say?
They're rolling up into little boysies.
Yeah.
What? They're adorable. They can't hurt you. The only thing that can hurt you is their poison on their shell. You have to wash your hands with soap after. Oh, look at those little buddies.
Wow, there's like a giant centipede.
No, it's called the.
100 leg.
This looks like a. Oh wait, no. There's something called the desert. No wonder they don't have desert centipede. You know, desert centipede, one bite could hurt you so bad.
Is this poison?
No, I think so. They do bite. You know why they look the same on each end? You know why they look the same on each end?
What?
Because predator come, bite one area, swing around, go bite their face.
Is that really?
Yeah, I think so. So cute.
So cute.
They live in Mexico.
Whoa, what's this? Shrimp?
Yeah.
Oh, red.
Well, crustaceans.
Red crayfish.
They're not red. They're.
Oh, that's
they're-
baby crayfish.
Oh yeah, baby ones. There's no adult one.
Yeah,
There's not one adult.
that's crayfish we ate, huh?
Crustaceans are actually related to bugs.
The baby crayfish.
Oh wow. What we just ate? Good
Don't
job.
tell them. Don't tell them, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Baby crayfish.
So guys, crustaceans are related to insects. They're both in the arthropod family, if I said that right. Okay guys, if you can't see, look at them. They may be a little hard. You see those little clear things? They're right there. This one's like shocked or something. What's on the other side? Oh, snail.
Snail.
Wait, what?
Big
What?
snail.
Oh my god, I hate this thing so much.
Apple snail.
I'm gonna kill this thing. What? Just break it already. These things are invasive. They'll give you sicknesses.
Yeah.
Just kill them already. Why you have them? Oh my god. Yes?
For study. Oh, look at they lay egg.
You know, if you see them, crush them immediately.
Why?
Because these snails are invasive. So they're killing other snails. And they could get sicknesses into your food and you could get really sick.
Yeah.
Go look at mommy. Go ask mommy why they're invasive. They come from South America. They're definitely not supposed to be in America, guys. They're in South America. They're supposed to be right there. Okay, so don't look at them. Oh, so cute. They are gonna make you sick one day if you don't crush those pink eggs. Those look like raspberries. Okay, look at them. At least you'll get sick. You'll get sick and shut your mouth. Okay, I was just talking to my dad. Don't listen to me. Right there. Okay. So, yes. So, we're going to the next area. Guys, I'm in the knight's armor. Beetlejuice. I don't know why I said that. Maybe it's a new movie.
You can see a big, huge one. Look. See it?
Guys, just wait a bit, okay? I'm gonna go try it out. Whoa.
See it?
Yeah, big head.
Big head. Oh, can camera see it?
Yes, camera can see it. I can put it through.
Yeah, look.
Antennas, okay? Antennas is the hardest. Oh, look at those little moth things. Moth little antennas. God, what is in here?
What's it? No, look at the bottom. Oh, they fogged up. Oh, that beetle right there.
Oh, beetle. I think that's called a stab beetle. I have no idea. Don't say I'm wrong, okay? I think that's a stab beetle. That's something. Another beetle.
Use your butt.
Click it. Release.
Whoa! Cackle, you ate them. Oh no, your butt do not survive.
Just don't do this. Guys, come on. I have no idea. This is shaped like a giant bug. What is that? Oh, come on, fly. I hate flies. They're so annoying. They try to get in my ear holes every time. Asian.
What is it? See anything?
Guys, they're located in Indonesia. I don't see it. Oh, that thing at the bottom.
Is that it?
No. They could bite though.
Oh, look. The leaf.
Hey guys. Wow, look at big leg. The what?
The leg. Look inside.
Legs.
Yeah.
One. Come on.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. I already saw these
Oh,
ones.
how
so
about
just...
butterfly? See a butterfly?
I hate butterfly. Come on. Oh, wait, what? There's another thing?
What is it?
I want to sit behind it, but they're not supposed to. These are what? I think these are water beetles or something. Wait, what? Does it say anything? No, it doesn't. These are like... These look like cockroach beetles. I don't know why. But they look like...
What is this? can't see anything.
Okay. Going over here. These are the water insects, I think. Scavenger beetle, water scavenger beetle. The one we just saw.
I get everything.
Oh, right here. Yum, 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 yum.
Right there, they're eating it. Right here, right here.
No, they're right here too.
Eating the leaf.
Oh, sorry guys.
But they're swimming.
What is this? Guys. Heteris diving beetle. This is the one we just saw, but those ones are way smaller babies. Guys, if you can see, they're right there eating it, okay? Red velvet ants. There's only a couple of them. I feel like you should give them a bigger pen.
Yeah. Just very heavy, like a hair.
They're so fluffy.
Orange hair.
They could bite you though.
Yeah.
Praying mantis?
Stick.
Oh, stick insect.
Walking stick.
I think they make it so the 小孩子会怕，因为他们给人站在里面，那好像不像那个泰国的，这小 baby 都那个小 baby 那小女生都敢，
So?
因为它看起来就是饼干嘛。
Take a camera. You wanna get some cookies? Insect
Let's
cookies?
go.
Some insect cookies.
Não, agora já. Não. Experimenta, filha. E ela? That's okay. Sorry.
Okay, you can throw it in this one. Thank you. You're welcome. It's okay to change your mind. No worries. Hey, would y'all like to try some today?
Sure. I want to try.
Which ones would you like to try?
Who you want to try?
What is there?
We've got some cricket dips and some chocolate chip cookies.
Maybe chocolate chip.
Oh, I really don't like chocolate chip.
Okay,
Well, we have some dips for you. We've got some hop and herb, a salsa, and a mango apple chutney.
I think
Maybe mango apple. We'll try.
Yeah. Well, would you like a wheat thin or tortilla?
What?
We have wheat thin or tortilla chips.
Maybe just tortilla chips.
And you said the mango apple?
Uh-huh. Cinnamon is not gonna be good, I don't.
what's it made of? What is it made of? Like,
It's this one's got mangoes, apples,
Is there a bug in it?
different seasonings like vanilla and cinnamon, and it's got grounded crickets in it.
Oh.
Yummy? How is it?
I can feel the bug wings, but they're not that bad actually.
You feel a butt wing? Oh my goodness. So yummy?
I like it.
You like it?
You go try.
Huh?
You go try.
I'm good.
You try.
I'm good.
You should try.
and then so they all the same cricket type. Okay. Do you have the actual picture of the cricket?
We have a chocolate chip cookie with a cricket in it.
Oh, you should have the chocolate chip cookie.
I don't like chocolate chip.
That, hold on, let me. It's so cool. Baby, do you want one with the? I want to film.
Daddy needs to try it.
Okay, I tried a cookie. Why is it?
Stop being scared. I ate it one shot.
He's calling you scared.
Was scared? Not scared. Now here, like this.
I ate the whole thing in 2 bites, Daddy. Go eat it already. Stop.
No, I don't want chocolate chip. I want cricket chip.
That's not funny.
Huh?
That's not funny.
Hmm?
That's not funny.
Oh, see,
They do have it. Oh,
that's the
wow.
one I
I
want.
want to try it.
You want one? Take one. Yeah, eat it. Mmm.
Oh wow,
So good.
You are so brave. Good job. But
It tastes like burnt chocolate, kind of, or crisped up chips with a little blood inside.
I love this
Thank you.
description. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's hard to digest with all those wings in it. Oops.
Oh, the silkworm. No, your teacher teach you silkworm in China?
Guys, I'm gonna show you the silkworm. Guys, if you can't see, there's silkworms right there. Oh, look at the little cuties.
No, you gotta put closer. Can't see it. Put it.
Like that. Oh, wait.
Make it straight. Make it straight.
Just eat it already. Okay, guys. I'm still chewing on that cricket. Oh, look at the tarantula. Tarantula, are you moving? Let me see if the silkworms are moving. I think these are models because they're not moving. They're not moving. Tarantulas can move right now, but they're not moving. Go eat it already. I ate it. Eat it one bite. So good. Go try that. Wait, which one did you try? Oh my god. Just try the real one.
What's that?
Tarantula.
Wow, is that real one? No.
Yes.
No?
Not moving.
Yes.
It's not moving.
Oh, real one.
Really?
It's not moving. How is he so still? Silkworm cute. Cute silkworm.
Silkworm is real.
It's not moving.
No, it's not real. It's fake.
Fake.
No, it's not fake. It's preserved.
Oh yeah, preserved.
Cricket dips and some chocolate chip cookies.
It's hard to digest the wings though.
I don't want to know.
I bet you in our evolution when we were monkeys, we're jumping up in the air just trying to bite a fly.
I think all those preserved.
Preserved.
I was like, give me the smallest one. It was like the smallest one had the big chunk. The biggest cookie had none. I was like, give me the biggest one.
I don't know.
Butterfly. Metamorphosis.
The butterfly hatching.
Okay, sorry guys.
So, well, they do coming out, right?
In that cocoon, they turn into pupa, and then they grow their adult stuff, and they come out and wait to dry for like 2 hours, and they start flying and eating flower pollen.
Oh, okay. Wow, they have a lot of cocoon.
I think.
The cocoon didn't hatch yet.
Yeah.
Does it leave or they are self-covered up?
They do it because they want camouflage, and predators won't be like, oh, free meal.
Like
Just
a
eat
leaf?
it up.
Now, you know what you could tell Miss Prasad? I ate a cricket.
Whoa, that's disgusting.
I hate that. Mommy, want to go into the butterfly garden? Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh, look at those little bees. Even though I got stung by one, I love these things. Look how fuzzy that little belly is, huh? Guys, if you can't see those bees. Daddy, I'm gonna look for him. Where did he go? I found bees. Any type of bee from the outside. Oh, sorry guys. There's something like the camera turns black, but you guys still see, but I can't see.
Honeybee, baby.
They could fly in here and start walking.
Yeah, they bring honeybee.
A voice crack. Even though I got stung by them, I like them still.
No, look. make honey.
Wow, where's the queen? I think they're somewhere in the back because queens don't go outside. I don't mean like that. Wait.
You know,
What?
when they finish making, you take the whole slot out and take the honey.
Where's the white? Oh, this is where they store their babies. Queen could lay 2,000 eggs each day. So these are all the eggs. They store it in these little tubes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Can they fly out?
Yeah, they can.
Right there.
See,
They have to come in. Oh, do that hole.
it's like, wait, I think the people are nice enough to build them their own hive and they don't have to make one in a tree.
Yeah.
We should make one in the house, but you need
Mommy.
you need a queen. You know why?
Uh-huh.
You need one queen put inside, then they'll come in.
The hive does not operate without the
no.
Are
queen.
these the bee that in
Honey
front
bee.
of our yard?
No,
Different?
some room.
Oh.
Cause
Guys, you see this? The white part, the yellow at the bottom? That's where all the eggs are. They could lay the queen lays 12,000 eggs each day. They keep laying the eggs and they store it there. The future of the hive. Wasp come in the hive and destroy it though.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. The enemies are wasps. Oh, sorry guys. So guys, every time I say sorry guys, it's because you guys see, but I can't see. Like the camera turns black, okay? So just don't worry about it. Those bees are crumbling up. Wanna go to the butterfly garden now? Go. Okay guys. Right here. Let me click the green button. Bet it won't do anything bad. I think it did something bad. What?
No, you gotta go close.
Oh. I guess I'll wait.
And the door in front of you will open after the one behind you is closed. Thanks again for coming and have a fantastic time in our garden.
It just closed. If I click it.
Now that you're in the vestibule,
Guys, welcome to the butterfly garden. Come on in. Just please watch your step as you walk through. And please don't touch the butterflies. They're very delicate. We don't want them to get hurt.
If they land on you, it's okay. Do not touch them though.
Thank you.
They land on you, it's okay. If you land on them and you touch them, they can't fly. They have scales on their wing. So if you touch it, it'll scrape them. Oh. You're not a mom.
It's like a nature weather.
Hello, little fella. Hello? Are you okay? Look, one's frozen.
Yeah, you can take closer.
Wait, why is it not moving? I don't want to scare it, so I'm not going to get... Stop blowing, don't blow it. Stop. Don't do it. It's going to scrape their flakes.
I only touch it, I only blow it. Why you don't fly?
I don't know, maybe he's injured or something. Daddy, don't do that.
Yeah. No, somebody gonna step on.
Hello, little Bella.
Look. That one's open up. I think maybe they dying. You know why? They'll die. They only live for a little bit.
No, that's moth too, though. Moth only live for a couple.
But butterfly don't die, butterfly they die.
Yeah, moth die and only like, you know what's
Butterfly die
dumb?
too, right?
Yeah, but you know what's dumb?
Look.
Yeah. You know what's dumb?
What?
You have to learn what's dumb. You know moth, the Luna moth, they only live for a week because they have no mouth.
Oh, okay. They can't eat?
So they just die. All they need to do is mate and they're dead. Look at this. So cool. Mom, close up. No butterflies. Banana. Bananas. Guys, close up. You have to look like a flower or smell like a flower.
Smell like a flower.
They like flower pollen. If you ate honey before or pollen around you, that's what they do. Look at those bananas.
Running banana.
Oh, hello.
Running banana.
Oh, they're chasing each other.
Flower very pretty. They're pretty flowers.
These are called banana flowers. They look like bananas. Banana. Oh, they more long. Bananas. They're flying all around. What's wrong? What loop? What? What happened? What loop? Oh, wait, what?
Oh my God, so many.
This is like the entire army.
Oh, come here. Here, look.
Mommy, look! They're eating. They're eating. Mommy, look, they're eating over here. They're eating. I think they dipped that thing in nectar water and they lift it up and now they all want the nectar. There's something called nectar.
Yeah?
And they eat it. They drink it.
They have a number, Bobby.
What?
Wing have a number. Somebody, they put a sticker on it.
Where?
Right there. You see the number on this wing? 914. Look, this one have a number 167. Look.
Oh yeah, see it.
Huh?
Yeah, I see it.
Right there. Everyone have number.
This one doesn't have a number. Maybe it's on the inside. Oh, hello. He was running around me. I think he didn't notice me and kept bumping in. Daddy, do you think this is a flower color? Because it looks like flowers.
They're 914. This guy is 914.
How? That's crazy they managed to stick those things on.
Oh, that's on the mommy stick. They land on the mommy stick.
Hello. One was trying to get on my body. Whoa. One tried to go on my shoulder and I think one tried to ran into me. I think he did it by accident. Hello. Hello, little fellas. Then we go to the next room. One landed on Tofu's tail for a second.
All right, come on in, guys. Please wait till I put it in. We're doing a longevity experiment. So we're trying to see how long that lasts.
Something went wrong? Okay. Can we go to the next area?
Sure, let's go.
We're in the wrong spot. You almost tripped over the flower. I go this way. Hello. Can we go to the next area? I just gotta go. La, this is 1 hour video. Sorry guys, it's a 1 hour video. It's 1 hour.
No more battery. You didn't bring battery?
Okay.
I told you I don't have enough plug. I have to charge the quad, charge the phone.
Mango. The mango. They suck the things all out the mango. They suck the juice out the mango. So guys, sorry the video is gonna be 1 hour, but so guys, I'm gonna cut this video in 2 videos. One is this place and one is gonna be the aquarium, okay? So
Follow the main building, is it?
Yeah, we got some tickets. All right, guys, thanks for coming. Just making sure y'all don't have any hitchhikers on you before you leave. Great. Awesome. As soon as that slide is closed, just push that orange button next to the door.
wow.
Ready the gift shop?
Insectarium, the thing is separate.
Wow. So
The
cute.
bee? The bee pretty cool.
I actually like the bee.
So
So
squishy.
cute. It's so cute.
He's so fuzzy.
Take a picture of me and the bee. Honey, take a picture with the bee.
I know they're cookies.
Mommy, I got the bigger bee.
Okay, bring the bee with me.
Guys.
Now, kissing.
Hey. Guys, I have this little cute bee. That bee's pretty cute. Little bee.
How much is that one? That's huge.
This is Wild Republic, one of my favorite companies for animals. Oh, tarantula. It's a tarantula, mini tarantula. Mommy, oh my god. It's a little scary spider. Spooky, scary spiders. I don't like scary.
Where's it good?
Roly-poly, maybe.
This is roly-poly. Pillbug.
I like roly-polies.
Poly?
Yeah, pillbug.
Oh, that reminds me of my old pets.
Oh my god. 这个多少? 24. So cute.
What is this? Oh, ladybug. I don't really care about ladybugs. They're okay. Whoa, giant
With the
one.
head thingy on the front.
That's called a rhinoceros beetle.
It's a beetle. They got the cutest. Hold on. Can I have your camera for a second? They got the cutest.
Hold it.
Oh my god. Aww, little moth. Oh, it's a butterfly. Moth. Phew, moth. Moth.
Aww, so cute.
I didn't think Wild Republic would do this. Oh, it's a finger puppet actually. Hello, my name is Moffy. Hello, my name is Moffy. Hello, my name is Moffy.
If I was a boy,
Mommy does not like it because he's not. Spider! A big yacht. Tarantula. Oh, Black Widow.
Scorpion.
Why Black Widow? These bees are cute actually though.
Oh, little thing. I want those crispy. Spencer, we want this?
Yeah, let's try it.
Huh?
you would try it?
Uh-huh.
Want this?
Uh-huh.
You haven't had, like it?
I want to try it.
Okay.
That's what I was talking about at the start. Spider.
One snack.
I want to try it. Both of us. You're eating it.
No, I'm not eating it.
You're eating it.
No, I'm not eating it.
Yes, you are. You're gonna go shove that thing in your mouth. Oh. Guys, this is so cute. I can add this to my isopod collection. I have a large collection of isopods.
You want candy?
Sure. Whatever.
Yes? Come in.
Just gummy. Plain gummies. I'm a spider. Spider. I don't really like ants.
He's right over here on the sign.
I don't like butterflies, but I like moths.
Like right by on the flea market. He's right there. Right to the left of the
That's the dumbest
Yeah,
thing.
just sitting right there. Thank you, sir.
I like this moth. It's cute.
You sure you want this or no?
I want it. It's okay. Mommy, wants a squishy spiders?
What they're catching? The butterfly escape.
Yay!
The butterfly almost got some freedom.
Almost got some freedom.
Where's Spencer getting?
I don't know. I may get the roly-poly.
Huh?
I may get that roly-poly.
I think that's 15 or 20.
Okay, no.
No.
Oh, this is nice. Mealworm lollipop. I want to try.
Remote control.
Don't freak people out.
Can
man.
I try this? I really want it. I want to try out a sugar candy thing.
Why you don't get Scorpio?
What, Scorpio? I don't think it'll taste good.
This one is Scorpio.
I heard that these ones are super crunchy, so I want to get that one.
Crunch one. I like the medium.
Booga booga.
I've seen them walk around.
How much is this one? Yeah. $16.99.
Nope. Nope.
Big, how many meat?
Big. Why did we Public get a lot of money? Because they sell these cute animal Publics. Oh, I said it. Okay. Sorry guys. This is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to make another video later called New Orleans Aquarium. So, bye.